Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Trader Joe's grocery haul. This was a big one. We needed pretty much everything and I wanted to try some new stuff. I've tried to venture out a little bit more and try some different stuff that I don't normally try. But yeah, and I'll share with you kind of some recipes and things that I plan to do this week. But yeah, I think I spent just shy of $300, but I got wine, flowers, and beer as a gift for somebody. So that'll explain it all. But let's get started, starting with protein. I got this one, which I've never tried before. This is the Pollo Asada Authentico. I don't know, it's thin sliced chicken breast for Pollo Asada seasoned with an authentic recipe. I thought these would be good to do like a rice bowl with, like a Chipotle style rice bowl. I don't know if we'll eat them this week or just put it in the freezer. I grabbed 2 things of just plain chicken breast. I didn't feel like going to Kroger this week, so I just decided to grab it both from Trader Joe's. One of them I'm gonna be using in a recipe tonight, and then one's probably gonna go in the freezer. This I wanted to try. I've never tried this before. It's the Everything But the Bagel seasoned smoked salmon. And I saw somebody do like a cucumber roll with this in there, and I thought that would be really good. And now I'm just remembering that I didn't get cream cheese. Oh well, I have this, which I could use. We'll see. Nonetheless, I wanted to try this out and just see what it is. It's kind of pricey for what it is, but I don't know. I want to try it. So, grabbed that. I haven't had tofu in a hot minute, and I grabbed some avocados, and I was thinking of doing my like tofu rice bowls with like avocado and seaweed, and soy sauce and whatnot, and they're just like a quick and easy like dinner or lunch. So I grabbed this because I like to pan sear this. If you've never tried this tofu, it's good. You'll like it. I grabbed 3 things, oh my gosh, of ground turkey breast. I grabbed 2.99 one, and then 93.7% fat. I like to just have these in the freezer, use them for sauces, use them for like hashes, whatever. They're just a super high source of protein, low fat, good, good, quick and easy. It doesn't take long, good for us, yada, yada, yada. These we've been loving. These are the maple chicken breakfast sausages. For 2 of these, it's 90 calories and 10 grams of protein. It's just a great way. We throw them in the air fryer to get a little bit more protein in for your breakfast. You guys know the drill. I grabbed 2 things of smoked turkey breast. I already have 2, I think, in the fridge. These are just like a quick and easy go-to lunch for me. And Arlo likes to snack on them as well. Speaking of more sausages, I grabbed these. I grabbed the garlic herb one. Arlo likes these. They're chicken sausages, and I grabbed a spicy Italian in case we decide to do pasta or something. I don't think I've ever tried this before, and it's like overpriced for what it is, but I just wanted to try it, and it's got a ton of ingredients. I probably won't get it again, but we'll see. I need to like cook chicken ahead and prep it, but I feel like we always cook too much ahead and it goes bad. I don't know. I thought this would just be easy. It's lemon, pepper, grilled chicken, already grilled, already cooked. That it would be nice to throw in salads and whatnot. I don't know. We'll see. It's got like some liquid in there, so I don't know. I know a ton of people love it, but I've just never tried it. I want to say I've tried the rosemary balsamic one, and it was really dry. So we'll see about what I think about with that. But this is the Atlantic salmon. I got some salmon for this week, and then last but not least, some eggs. That's all for protein. Moving along to vegetables, I grabbed some zucchini. They only had organic, so I just grabbed this. I pretty much grab that every week. I'm doing a stir fry tonight. I am trying the black pepper chicken stir fry situation with a coconut. Shoot, I did not grab coconut milk. Let's see if I have coconut milk. Okay, I have coconut cream. It might work. If not, I'm gonna run out and grab coconut milk, but it's like a lemongrass coconut milk rice, which sounds delicious. So I grabbed this to top it off and throw it in with the stir fry. Some haricot green beans, which are our favorites. Some more red bell peppers for the stir fry, but also just to eat. I grabbed like 3 onions because we were running low on those. 3 avocados for avocado toast. 2 shallots for the recipe for tonight, but also just to have on hand. And then some baby potatoes. Scott's been boiling these, smashing them with like olive oil, garlic, butter, herbs. They're delicious. And then grabbed some baby broccolini. We eat this all the time. And some fresh basil. I needed this for a recipe for tonight. All right, that's all my, oh no, also some cremini mushrooms. I don't know, just always have them on hand. For fruit, I didn't get too much this week. Got a bunch of bananas and then some raspberries. I think I still have blackberries left in the fridge, so we got that. Moving on to dairy. Well, this is not dairy, but I've heard a ton of people rave about this. I don't even know what it's made with. Coconut oil. Oh, it's probably super high in fat. I don't know. We'll see. It's the Borson, I don't know, dairy-free herb garlic cheese situation. And I bought these little cauliflower crisp snacks to go with it. It's cauliflower, brown rice, coconut milk, seeds, and seasonings. I don't know. I figured it might be a nice snack. We'll see. I've heard amazing things about this soup. People rave about it. It's the tomato feta soup, so I thought this would be yum. And I got some sharp cheese to make like maybe tomato soup with grilled cheese. I grabbed a yogurt for Arlo. The honey full-fat yogurt is his favorite. I grabbed a low-fat cottage cheese for myself. I like to eat that as like a snack or for lunch. Some almond milk for smoothies and whatnot. A big old thing of whole milk for Arlo. I already told you those. I grabbed some basmati rice for tonight. I didn't know if we had rice, but we always go through it, so I just grabbed another one. I grabbed 2 things of coffee. The Ethiopia coffee, which has cocoa nibs, strawberry, and cinnamon notes in it. And then I grabbed the Papua New Guinea, which has sugarcane, cherry, and lime notes in it. We love to make that, use that to make our cold brews at home. And we finally got the Vitamix attachment to grind our own coffee beans. And it's good. You okay down there, Scott? For Arlo, I grabbed these. We were just running low on them. I like these when we're like out and about. The apple mango fruit sauce squeezers, and then the apple carrot fruit sauce squeezers. These are also for Arlo, the mini peanut butter sandwich crackers. Again, for Arlo, the cheddar rockets. I like these more than I like the goldfish. These are just a staple. We always have these. These were so good, y'all. Like, so good. These are the mini dark chocolate mint stars, and I figured if I didn't pick up another box now, they would be sold out by the next time that I wanted them. So I grabbed them. Oh my goodness. They finally have seaweed back in stock. Not my favorite flavor and not my favorite like way, but whatever, it is what it is. I needed them because I ordered some desperately off Amazon the other day. What she was telling me is that they import their seaweed from China, and China's having shipment issues and all that situation, chain supply, whatever. So I got the roasted teriyaki. I grabbed 3 things of them because I've been without them for way too long. This has just been a staple. I pick this up every single week. I love to snack on it. It's super low calorie and it's just easy. It's the herb and spices popcorn. Scott likes it and Arlo likes it as well. This is for that rice that I was telling you about, lemongrass paste. So we'll see. I grabbed, oh, for the freezer, I loved these. These are just like such a quick and easy breakfast situation. These are the Trader Joe's Egg Witch. They're breadless breakfast sandwiches. It's basically 2 things of eggs with cheese and a sausage. It's like what you would expect from like a sausage or like a Starbucks breakfast sandwich. It's nothing revolutionary, but it's quick and easy and good. And I throw some hot sauce in the middle of it. Grabbed these. We love these. These are the Trader Joe's hash browns. Perfect for weekend breakfasts and whatnot. And then also for weekend breakfast, Arlo likes these blueberry waffles. They're frozen. We just throw them in the toaster. And we're good to go. I grabbed some of these organic chicken and brown rice sticks for dogs. This I feel like I've tried this before, but it's been a while. I grabbed the bread and butter Pinot Noir. I grabbed a ton of flowers, which I'm gonna do a flower arrangement with for our kitchen counter. This is so pretty. This is eucalyptus, but it's like flowering. I don't know what these are. They're craspeditas. I don't know. They're so pretty. They're like little yellow puff balls. I grabbed these red little berries, which I love. And then, the hydrangeas. So I'm gonna make a little flower arrangement with those. And then it's our daycare teacher, like director's birthday on Saturday. So I got her a little card, and then she loves Martin House Brewery. So I grabbed her a mix and match of beer to have or try if she's never had them. So I'll share with you the flavors because they're super fun. This one is the upside down beer. It is a lactose sour with pineapples, cherries, and cake flavoring. Look how cute that packaging is though. So that's the first one. The next one is the cookies. It's a cookie dough stout. Cute, right? This one is blueberry muffin, which is a sour ale with blueberry, lactose, and brown sugar. Their packaging is just the cutest. I like can't. So pretty. Okay. And then this one goes with the cookies. This is the cream, which is a rich cream ale. So it's like cookies and cream, get it? And then I think this one is not like a seasonal one, but this is their True Love, which is a raspberry sour. And then this one I've never tried is their Golden Eyes. It's a Belgium style wheat beer with orange. So yeah, so that is what I grabbed her for her birthday. So I'll throw a bow on it and throw in a card. But I wanted to pick it up now because sometimes I don't see her. So I wanted to make sure that I keep it in my car so when I do see her, I can bring that into her. And then last but not least, I grabbed this. This is the Dr. Bronner's like bar of soap. I like to use this to clean my beauty blender, my brushes, and after cleaning my beauty blender for a while, it gets a hole in it and then it cracks and then you just like can't use it. So I picked up another one of these. I love them. They're super cheap and they get my brushes and beauty blender sponge super clean. So if you have not tried that, try it. You can get it everywhere, even if you don't have a Trader Joe's. But that is everything that I got from Trader Joe's this week. I know, a big overhaul. But I figure this should last us until kind of next week when it's Christmas time and all that kind of stuff. So that's everything. I'm gonna go clean out the fridge and put it all away, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye, you guys.